The City Rail link will transform the way people travel around Tamaki Makaurau. It's an important stepping stone towards a more sustainable city, contributing to the decarbonisation of our transport system by providing an attractive, reliable, low-carbon alternative to travelling by car.
This is one of New Zealand's largest projects, and we're hoping to really influence the whole industry, firstly through our supply chain by making sustainability business as usual for them when they're supplying us, and secondly by sharing our lessons learned, both good and bad, with other large projects and with the industry more generally.
Constructing the CRL has involved large quantities of concrete and steel that have a big carbon footprint. To minimise this during design, we continuously calculated the carbon footprint of materials using the project's 3D model, allowing the engineers to understand the carbon impact of their decisions as they worked. The final design achieved a 16%, 24,000 tonne carbon footprint reduction.
To reduce on-site energy-related emissions during construction, we've switched, where possible, from using diesel plant to using New Zealand's clean electricity grid. We've also chosen the right plant for the right job to optimize efficiency.
Environmental compliance is an important part of what the project team does. We have air quality monitors all around the construction sites, as well as noise and vibration monitors, groundwater monitors, and ground settlement monitors. The project team are very busy looking at the data, analysing that, and replying compliance reports to council in order to comply with our 500 plus consent conditions.
To reduce the potable water use throughout the project, we captured rainwater from our roofs and using recycled water coming from our water treatment plant, such as for the use of dust suppression and washing down of machinery throughout the site.
During construction, concrete is one of our biggest contributors to our carbon footprint, so we worked really hard to reduce the amount of cement in our concrete by replacing it with fly ash, which is a waste product that reduced the footprint of our concrete by about 20%.
From the very start, we had to demolish around 40 buildings. So we stripped the buildings of reusable materials, donated them to charity, and crushed the concrete for reuse as aggregate.
To date, we've diverted over 96% of construction and demolition waste from landfill, reduced the projected whole-of-life carbon footprint by 60,500 tonnes, equivalent to over 35,000 return flights from Auckland to London, and purchased over $94 million worth of goods and services from Maori and Pacifica-owned businesses. Partnering with Mana Whenua has allowed us to learn from the past while looking to the future for Tamaki Makaurau. Our station designs visually link us back to the elements that sustain us, reminding us that we must all work together to protect Te Taiao for all generations to come.